Hey guys, I'm John Setzler and welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today we're going to fire up the Myron Mixon BARQ-2400 pellet smoker and we're going to cook a brisket. So let's get started. I'm going to get this brisket project started by firing up the Myron Mixon BARQ for 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I've got a 14-pound Black Angus choice beef brisket that I bought from Sam's Club here, and I have gone ahead and taken the liberty of trimming this guy up off camera so you don't have to watch that. I've left about 1/4 of an inch fat cap on the back side of this brisket. I want to season this brisket liberally, and we're going to use this month's Atlanta Grill Company Rub of the Month, which is the Himalayan Sherpa, which is a salt, pepper, garlic blend. And I am going to put a nice liberal coat of this rub on both sides of our brisket, and then let the brisket sit here for a little while our grill comes up to temperature. And now that my grill's up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and put this brisket on. And I've also taken my fat trimmings from this brisket and put it in a small Dutch oven, and we're going to put that guy on the grill also with the lid cracked, where we can render out some really nice beef tallow and get some smoke flavor to it during the first part of this cook. And we're going to let the first stage of this cook go for about 12 hours before we even open the grill again. And here we are 12 hours in. This BARQ's looking pretty good. It's not quite there yet. I've taken a couple temperature readings here, and we're at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit internally. So I'm going to let this continue to cook, but I'm also going to spritz it with a little bit of water, which helps form an amazing smoke ring. So we'll spritz it and close the grill back up and let this continue to cook. Here we are at the 18-hour mark, and I'm pretty confident with how the BARQ looks on this guy. So I'm going to take this off, I'm going to wrap it up, and we're going to put it back on the grill, and I'm also going to ramp the grill temperature up at this point to about 275 to finish this guy off. 90 minutes or so later, at about the 19.5-hour mark, I'm happy with the way this brisket looks. It's probing tender. So what I'm going to do is we're going to pull that off. I'm going to put it in my Yeti cooler, put a towel on top of it, and I'm going to let it rest for an hour or two before we come back to break into this brisket. Also, I'd like to show you briefly here about how many pellets are left in my hopper after running this grill for nearly 20 hours. This 20-pound hopper, I'm assuming, has got at least 6 pounds of pellets still left in there, so this grill's really easy on pellets. Okay guys, I've let this guy rest for almost 2 hours, and I want you to have a look at that. That's doing really well, so I'm gonna slice off some down here on the end of this. I want you to have a look at the smoke ring we have on this guy. Let me cut some of the larger slices off here. Let's get on down in here. Take a look at that. That's beautiful. It's passing the bend test for sure. This one's sliced a little thick. Take a look here. I'm gonna have a taste of this. Man, that is crazy. Take a look at this guy. Man, that is just off the hook. Let me get another one. Just beautiful. So guys, you're gonna have to give this a try. This technique on the pellet grill, letting it cook a longer time at a lower temperature, has put an amazing smoke flavor on this brisket. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.